In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see stats on the Substack app. Once you've published a post, the Substack app thoughtfully places a banner right at the heart of your home screen. This banner acts as a shortcut to your post's performance stats, offering you a seamless way to stay on top of real-time analytics without the hassle of sifting through multiple menus. However, if you're the kind of person who craves a bit more detail, the app allows you to delve deeper. Simply navigate to the specific post you're curious about, and you'll discover a wealth of information displayed neatly beneath the post's title. This feature provides a comprehensive overview of your post's journey, its reach, and, essentially, its overall impact. Within these analytics, you'll encounter key metrics like the number of views and the open and click rates, giving you a succinct snapshot of how well your content is being received. These insights can quickly help you assess if your latest creation is resonating with your audience. But there's more to explore. The Reach section of the app is your gateway to understanding how far your post has traveled. It breaks down engagement into categories, such as email opens, web views, mobile reads, and even pinpoints the diverse sources of your traffic. This data becomes indispensable when you wish to understand where your audience comes from and their platform preferences. Moving right along, the engagement section offers a deep dive into how your audience is interacting with your content. Here, you'll discover detailed statistics on comments, likes, and shares, whether through res tags or quote notes. Notably, it also tracks linked clicks, making it particularly useful if your post directs readers to additional content or valuable resources. The engagement data is all about uncovering your audience's level of interaction and the tangible ways they connect with your material. Now, let's shift focus to the growth section, pivotal for anyone with aspirations of expanding their publication's reach. This section meticulously tracks how your post has contributed to gaining new subscribers, both free and paid. Additionally, it provides a conversion rate, which acts as a yardstick for measuring the post's success in bolstering your Substack presence. Each of these insights plays a crucial role in refining your content strategy. By identifying which posts are performing well and engaging your readers the most, you can tailor future content to align with their interests. This approach will ultimately help you drive more success on your Substack journey. Happy writing, and I'll see you in the next video.